Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your Android TV or Android TV box not connecting to the internet. If you are 100% sure that you have internet and your Wi-Fi is connected and it is not connecting to the internet, I'm going to show you how to fix this. As you can see right here, I'm connected to the internet, but if I go to YouTube, nothing is working. I tried to browse through Chrome and it's not working either. So I'm going to show you how to fix this issue real quick. If you are pretty sure you have internet connection on your Wi-Fi and your smart TV or Android TV box is not browsing, first thing you have to do is to check if your date and time is correct. In my case here, it's not correct. I was having a hard time to fix this issue just to find out it is a minor thing that is causing the issue. You have to click on use network provided time for it to automatically set the network for you. But sometimes this network provided time doesn't work. You have to set the date and time manually by yourself. Once you are done setting everything for the dates to be corrected, now you have to go back and check if you can browse. After setting the date and time correctly, I went back to YouTube and everything was working perfectly fine. So that will be all for this quick video. See you guys in the next one. Peace.